Hello and welcome to RC Big and Small.
Today we have with us double E model E581-003 articulated dump truck hauler.
Whether you're a young kid with a passion for RC vehicles or an adult collector, this video is for you.
So what are we doing in this video?
Well, we'll be unboxing and sharing what we think about it, and even showing it in action.
So, let's get started!
At first look itself, you can tell it has a realistic design.
Even though the box came a bit damaged inside, the box was all intact and sturdy. I found that they had put plastic wraps and objects to support the parts and protect it from any damages. It comes with remote control, battery, and an instruction manual.
By the way, please feel free to drop in a comment to tell how we can make our videos better. Please support us by leaving a like to the video and subscribe, as it will help this channel to grow and we can make more videos like this for you.
The body looks and feels all plastic, including the tires. The tires felt like hard rubber, more on the plastic side. It is a rear wheel drive. Yes, it's the last two wheels at the back. I'm sure we can modify this into a 6 or at least a 4-wheel drive. Please let us know in the comments below if you would like to see modifications done to this truck. If there are enough comments, we will make it happen.
Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos.
Until next time, happy hauling.